so today I'm going to show you guys how I make stickers like the ones I just showed you. So here at my house I have a few machines here I can use to make stickers, more of a decals than stickers, but it's the same process nonetheless. At my shop I have printers, laminators, cutters, the whole 9 yards, but since we're under quarantine here in Michigan I cannot use them because I cannot go to my shop right now, which I'm going there just to check up on them, but that's it. Okay, so today I am making stickers for my cousin for a wedding favor. It's gonna be for the groomsmen, best man stuff. So I thought I'm gonna show you guys how I did it, how I'm gonna make them. You know, you can turn this into an Etsy store, eBay store. That's what I started with, and now I have a website. And I make a lot of bulk orders for businesses. This is actually a really good side hustle for a lot of people. That's what it started for me 3 years ago with the machine I'm going to show you over in the other room, or closet, the print closet. And you know, it's actually, I made a couple $100 a month, $300, $400, $500 a month, and I started growing. Now I'm doing stuff in bulk for businesses, and that's what's generating a lot of my income. I own a company called Detroit Printing Company, so I do, oh god, you can name it, postcards, envelopes, booklets, posters, magnets, decals, stickers, menus. I don't know if I'm repeating myself, but I print all kinds of stuff. You guys can check that out on Instagram. It's called the Detroit Printing Company, and I show a lot of my work on there. But today we're gonna focus on just decals. For this right here, I am going to use a software called Inkscape. It is a free download. That's why I want to show you guys with this one, so you guys don't have to buy anything. It's a lot cheaper. I normally use a more of a higher end software called Flexi for the print and cut files. It helps with that. But for here I'm just going to highlight everything, and I'm going to put object to path, and then we're going to go over here, save as, save an SVG. I already saved it once, so I'm going to replace it, but that normally won't pop up. And we're going to drag it in. And you're going to give it a second to load. Don't know why it's taking so long, but I'll show you around here. We can show you this is the image size of the vinyl that you are using. So the size of your vinyl, I'm using a 24-inch cutter, so I have 24 inches to work with. So you see 21 here, and then we have the image size, so it's 8 inches tall by 8.4 inches wide. And from here you can go to the cut. That's a little scissors, and this will show you different things like how many copies you want, the distance between them. I'm only printing one because they're all printing in one setting, but you might do this a little different. So we're gonna walk over here. Here I have my print closet. It's under construction right now. I have the shipping stuff right there. See, shipping thing, envelopes, different things, different orders, outgoing mail, and a bunch of junk right over there. Scrap vinyl, rolls of vinyl. Got different stuff in here. Got chromes, wooden stuff. This is a big box of stickers that are all labeled, and there's a lot of things. Mannequins for when I make shirts. But here we gotta go over the plotter. This is a 24-inch vinyl express plotter. It's actually about 10 years old, I would say. Oh, it's like, whoops, sorry, there, changed something. Yeah, it's probably like 10 years old now, but it's still cranking away. Alright, so once you have it on, this is going to be kind of hard with one hand. You have to make sure your lever's down. Pull your vinyl nice and tight so you know it's straight off the wall. I'm going to hold it with my elbow. Lift the lever back. And you just have to set this up to make sure it's on the right settings. Now I know it's on the right settings because I recently used it on this vinyl. You have to use different cut depths for different vinyls because otherwise the blade won't cut through because it's a very tiny, tiny blade. So we're going to come back over to my desk and we are going to hit cut out. And then you can hear it go. Now it's cutting probably a little fast for how little of it cuts. Now I think we're going to be good. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is weeding, is when you see we have a white piece of vinyl there, and now we're going to actually see the sticker come out. And I'm just gonna put that in a time lapse for you guys to watch. Alright guys, so here we have our one sticker, and now we have to layer a piece of mask on it because transfer tape. And we're going to get the squeegee to squeegee that on, and here's that. Alright, so now these stickers I'm making are going to go on Yeti mugs, but I don't have the Yeti mugs right now. The customer's going to put them on the Yeti mugs. And for example, I'm just going to put this on a notebook. You can just pretty much show you how to put it on. There's the nice tripod. Alright, all you would do, take the backing, split it apart, whoop, then it'll come. Just make sure all the letters go on it.